Now we'll check this alignment options. We already learned about a merge and center. For example, each data header, if you like to make it on a center alignment, then we can use this one, center alignment. Okay, these center left and right alignment for the horizontally. Okay, vertically, if you like to align into center, in the sense vertically, in the sense, for example, to increase the row width. Okay, increase the row width, what we have to do, we have to select that row here on a left corner, and you can change the width. Similarly, column width you can select this one and change the column width. Okay, on a top, after that a, if you are selecting a column, if you like to change width, you can change here. That edge you have to select, and we have to change the width. Okay, similarly for the row edge we have to select and change the width. Okay, to height change, once you have been changed the height, you can see here center alignment, top alignment. Okay, this is to align to with the your cell. Okay, it is from a top, center, and this one here left, right, and center. Indents are nothing but a to change it to a from the one side, in the sense from the left corner, to increase or decrease. Okay, the position we are using a indents. Okay, if you like to make it exactly center, you have to select this one. Okay, then it comes to the rotating a text. Okay, orientation, you can change the text orientations. Okay, you can change like this, to the any angle you can change as per your requirement. You can change it to a any angle. Okay, so you can select here horizontal center, vertical center, merge cell. Here you can also do this one. Okay, like this you can change it to a any of the position as per your requirement here. And one more important one is the wrap test. A wrap test is nothing but, for example, uh, this particular cell, you don't want to change the width of this cell. Okay, you don't want to change the width of the cell. If this is a width, there should be, this is a width I would like to keep. Okay, I don't want to change the width of the cell. Then what we can do, we can say wrap test. Okay, wrap test, what will happen, it will adjust your text to the width of the column, and it will increase the height of the cell accordingly. Okay, accordingly it will increase the height of the cell. For example, here it is not showing, right, it is coming outside. So what we can do, we can say wrap test, so that it will be, whatever the text is there, it will adjust it to a column width. You can see here now, if I increase the column width, okay, the text has been adjusted. If I increase the column width, text has been adjusted. Okay, or you can double click on a edge to adjust with the column width. The amount, if you like to, here it has to show within a text. Double click on that edge. Okay, here on a top, you have to double click on that particular eye, like this. Double click on here. Okay, double click to get your width to be adjusted to your headings, in the sense whatever it is there, with that you can adjust to that particular thing. Okay, this is how we can use the alignment options, different types of the alignment options in a Excel.